I break something, Keith?
That's what we're talking about. Oh, that's exciting.
I'm gonna cave that thing in. Should I hit it with the air hammer?
I didn't try that first.
Oh yeah. I think all you gotta do is collapse it. Whoa! That's my camera.
Didn't see that.
Ooh, movement.
You got movement, Paul. Oh, it's not your sister. God.
Oops, I just cut into it.
Yeah, you might
Nope,
do it.
now we're committed.
You might get it.
I got a splitter.
If nothing else, we got a. Yeah, we can braise it up. Mark's got a brazing rod.
You braise it?
Yeah.
I think the splitter will get it.
Oh yeah, go right down the side. You're thinking, huh?
Yeah.
Don't split it, Paul. No, not your sister again. My God, Paul.
Poor Paul's sister. Oh!
I almost lost the splitter.
I don't know. Well, it's moving. Wonder if it'll actually come out of there.
Yeah. Little channel. Grab a little short here. No, Paul, not your sister again.
I can weasel this thing out of here by doing this.
Yeah, grab her on top. See if you can rock her. Oh my. She's tight. No, definitely not your sister. She's like a moose.
Oof. I could just get that thing to split.
I'm gonna put on the side a little bit more again with her, huh?
Yeah, if I can get that last.
You get her. Yeah, you got her collapsing inside there, and you're not hitting the wall at all. So
Yeah, that's a good split.
yeah, if you can get her to collapse down, you're about halfway there. Gotta cut the handle off the hammer.
Oh, I know. I gotta get a new chisel, I think.
I don't know, you're not hitting that thing very hard until you're facing right through her.
Oh! Down in the engine block. Did it go through?
Good thing she's metal, we can fish her out with a magnet.
He's been coming back with my sister jokes now.
He's so funny. So my wife in there and stuff.
It's like, Paul, why'd you have to take it there? I never do.
I would tell her.
I hope that.
She loved him. Oh gosh, you got her nice.
She just keeps going down in the hole. Oh, oh!
Oh, you got her coming out a long ways. You got her good.
It moved.
Yeah, quite a ways too. Quite a ways. Alright, I got her rocking. She's coming. Not very well.
Love the motivation. Oh!
Now
Now
we're committed.
we can do something. Maybe. Yup. Nope. Maybe not. Oh my God. See what I'm saying?
I mean,
All we can do is try.
yeah. I mean, we're there now.
We have no choice. It's cheaper than a head job. Well, gotta give a big shout out to one of my viewers for giving me this part number for this outlet, and was able to get it out. I had to collapse the old one here. Yanked her out. Awesome. And I was able to slip out the oil separator. Now I collapsed it. So we're gonna see if the new one does slide in. Worst case scenario, I don't know. We're trying to save doing a head job here, so looks like it's gonna be possible. Alright, so I'm gonna clean this up. We're gonna see if we can slide the new one in place. Oh, Here's the Motorcraft number right here. Can you see that? There's our outlet. And, oh, she fits nice and snug. Perfect.
Got the gasket in the...
Oh, she is going to be a good unit, Keith.
Gasket and the breather for now. Let's see if they're working. If they do, we'll figure out what the rest of the stuff is we need. And learn from the best.
I think we're going to be in good shape here. No head job required.
Boy, that would be nice. We'll get this thing rolling. Otherwise, we'll have to push it up next to another one.
Oh, God. That one's going to the auction.
It's the Silver Bay parking lot over there.
Alright,
well.
I'm gonna start assembling. Do you think we should get a hose here? Or should I just clamp that baby and call it a day? Because that's pretty bad. Alright. It's a moment of truth. Anyways. Oh, that one didn't have a part number on it. Here's the gasket through Ford. And our oil separator with new PCV. So, let's see if we can slide her on down in there and save doing a head job, because that would be awesome. Okay, so this lays down in here like so. Actually runs over the edges. Make sure that's lined up so it doesn't get cockeye in there. slip it past there, though? That's the question. Don't know. Maybe? I don't want to damage it. Or not. Or maybe. Oh. Why didn't they make that just a little bit shorter? It's literally the only way we're going to get it in is if we were to collapse it a little bit. Sadly. We're going to tweak her just a little. Yep, I just did that. If this saves them doing a head job, it's well worth it. It ain't going to hurt nothing, guys. I made it. I had to collapse it a little bit, but I don't think it's gonna hurt anything. Now we gotta get that gasket around it. Oh. Sweetness. I just straightened it back out. Oh, it's still gonna be bent a little bit, but it ain't gonna hurt nothing. That is perfect right there. Oh, she's seated. Well, that was easy. So now, we gotta somehow get our bolts back down in there. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on her, right here. From our local Napa store. That's right. Well, that's sweet. Well, how neat is that? I don't know about you, but I think she's good to go. Alright, Napa for the wins with the lower intake on. We're gonna have to install this first. Once I took it out, put the stuff back that we took out, which is good because we got a lot of cleaning done that needed to be done. The longer ones go on that side. Oh, Napa's really coming through for us this week. That's what I'm talking about. Orange thread locker. It's like high strength, but not. It comes out like blue, so it comes out perfectly. That's what I'm talking about. I do not have sponsors, but I'll give shout outs to who deserves them for sure. And our local Napa's been killing it lately, especially with the gaskets and stuff. So appreciate it. Alright. Did I get that right? Sure did. Zip those down. Pumps back in. Just gotta torque down the 10s for it. Oops. Pretty much just go until that's snug, guys. It's perfect. It'll be just fine. Snap-on's got the ratchets dialed in. Well, they all do. Professional ones anyways. Those I already got. That's it. There we go. Get what we can right now. Let's see. Right. day. Here. Undo it. Alright, waiting on a new belt for that. Make sure I got everything else cleaned up back here. Tensioner's clean. Crank. AC compressor. Now, I had to degrease the heck out of this thing because it was all full of oil. Really bad. So it looks a lot better than it did. A lot better. As you can see all over my arm. That's from the body. 13 foot-pounds. Alright. Get these injector O-rings right away. Probably could have had a 5W20 engine oil. Well, Napa came through this morning. Got my O-rings for my injectors, so those are ready. And we got the rest of our hoses. So we got to get this coolant hose off. That look fun. Keep going. Oh, I gotta get that to come off there. Picking some brake clean. Set of Matco picks for the win. And she's off. There you go. Snap-on hose pliers. Must have. Definitely gotta have one of them. Working on these newer ones. Well, any car. These clamps. Some spots that you just can't get in with the pliers. Clean this up as best we can. trying to avoid taking off any more than I have to. We're on a tight leash. Chain is tight. I already dodged a head job, which is good. Oh, I guess it depends on how you look at it. Well, the verdict's in. Do I need to state the obvious? Yeah, I probably should. Make sure you change the oil whenever you're doing work like this. Alright, hold on. I wrapped up that remote start ignition wire and routed it properly and protected it all the way back to the firewall. Taped it up nice. New vacuum lines. All new vacuum lines. Hooked up properly. New PCV hose set up right from Mazda. There you go. This is the old one that I rebuilt before I realized I got it. Awesome. Alright. Everything's clean as it's gonna be. I'll put it on the hoist and I'll degrease the bottom side. But, you know, all new vacuum lines. They were all dry rotted. Got that new outlet in. So let's get some oil in it. Let's fire it up. Everything's full. Power steering's full with new fluid and new coolant in the entire system. Vacuum filled. Let's get some 520 in it, 5.5 quarts, new filter on it, and see how she runs.
Yeah, I figured you guys know. Thanks. Oh, this one goes fine.
Look at that. She's fully charged. She's ready.
Good.
Clean. I got some degreasing to do on the bottom side. So when she comes back, I can tell her what else to fix. Right?
Yep.
All right. Make sure everything's closed. All right, start it up. Clear flooding. So far, so good. Let's see how them numbers look now. Now that she's purring, much better than it did when it came in. That. Engine. Excellent. Let's see here. Let's take a look at these fuel trims. Let's see what they look like now at idle. Charging at 14 volts. engine temp, RPM. Actually, let's do this. RPM, DTC count, and ECT, 1 voltage, 1 2 voltage, 2 1 voltage, 2 2 voltage, short term, long term, mass airflow, IAC percentage. I cleaned that. Loop status. Looks good to me. Graph view. Let's see. IX at 32 counts. Closed loop. Long term's at 0%. Mass airflow's at 4.9. Short term's way better. They're actually running negative now. They were at 22 positive, somewhere up in there. Let's take a look at our O2s, see how they're doing, since they're the ones that flag codes. Look like they're switching to me. 1 DTC so far, and that is our P1000. So I'll let this run. We'll let it get up to temp. What do we have for temperature right now? 143 degrees. We'll let her get to temp. All right, we're gonna go take a little test drive. She's all done under the hood. Everything's back together the way it should be. So these are the numbers cruising. Now it's still going through its readiness monitors. So